just received the car from the body shop, and they have done a really great job over here. The paint work and even the body work, they have done a really great. So yeah, over here there was a damage over here before. So the whole footboard fender, the inner section of that, it's completely done. And even from the inside also, you can see the footboard over here. See, it's done. And even there was a little bit damage in inside also, and that's even also repaired. And this is the door, and the paint job is done really good. You cannot say that it's even painted. See, this is the original painter. This bonnet hasn't been repainted. And if you look over here, you cannot see any, there's just a small dust over here. That will be done. Oh, but the car is looking really good in this color. And now it's time to assemble the whole car, and all the parts are over here. So eager to start this vehicle and drive this car. So let's get started and finish this work. As the airbags were deployed, because of which the seat belts was also locked. As you can see, it is completely locked and it is not going back. So due to which we have to buy brand new seat belts. These both are brand new ones. And if once again the airbags will deploy, this will also lock. So let's fit them.